Andon. Welcome to the world of modern manufacturing, where efficiency and productivity are the kings. But how do we ensure these kings are ruling effectively? The answer lies in Andon, a visual feedback system for the plant floor. Andon, a concept originating from Japan, is all about visual communication. It uses lights, screens, and sometimes sounds to instantly show the status of manufacturing processes. Think of it as a traffic light for your production line. Green means all systems are go. Yellow signals caution, something might need attention. Red indicates a stop, there's a problem that needs immediate fixing. Andon empowers your team. With real-time information at their fingertips, they can rapidly respond to issues, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Andon also provides critical data for managers. It can help identify bottlenecks, track trends, and ultimately drive continuous improvement in your manufacturing processes. It's not just about identifying problems. Andon promotes open communication and team collaboration. It encourages everyone, from the shop floor to the top floor, to contribute to solving problems and improving processes. Imagine the difference. On the left, a factory without Andon, where issues can go unnoticed, causing delays and lost productivity. On the right, a factory with Andon, where problems are quickly identified and addressed, keeping production moving smoothly. Andon doesn't just highlight problems, it shines a light on solutions. It enables workers to become problem solvers, boosting morale and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. From automotive to electronics, food processing to pharmaceuticals, Andon is revolutionizing industries around the globe. Any manufacturing environment can benefit from the visual communication and instant feedback that Andon provides. Andon, illuminating the path to greater efficiency, productivity, and success on the plant floor. Are you ready to let the light in?